Hello, good evening friends. Today is 23rd, 2020 and now I am going to product review first, then demo of this Prestige induction cookware. I have already unpacked this carton with using this. See, they have how packed it properly. बहुत ही बढ़िया पैकिंग की है so that no damage can occur. Well, now it's time to keep it aside. And now I'm going to unpack it. Okay, now it's open. Let me first open it. As I have cut the tape, now it's time to first open it, then I'll show you further. Now I have cut open the tape, and now let me take it out. See, you can see the thermocol has been given in both sides. Owner manual. First take it out, this owner manual. Nice packing has done. Thumbs up for that to Amazon. Amazon.in. And now let me take it out. So now I have taken it out from the carton. And this is Prestige induction cookware. All buttons are in very good position. This one is for start stop, this one is for dosa, timer, pressure cook, curry, idli, deep fry, heat milk, keep warm, salute. And further demo section after few minutes. Let's first boil the water, and through that I'm going to show that how the function of this buttons are doing. Okay, meet you after few minutes while doing the final demo. Okay, so in previous part I show the review of Prestige cookware, and now it's time for demo. I have just now on it. See, all buttons are working very nice. ये बटन सारे काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब पैकिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जो अमेजोन की तरफ से आई है. एवरीथिंग इज ओके. और दिस वन इज पावर बटन. It's preheated in pressure cooker mode. Today I am going to make the pasta. So in few minutes let's begin to prepare the meal. Okay, now I have put the saucepan. First I am using olive oil. One tablespoon of olive oil is enough. और जब ये थोड़ा सा हल्का बॉयल होना स्टार्ट हो जाए, See, bubbles are coming. Now it's time to put the onions. अब मैंने प्याज जो कटे हुए थे पहले से उनको डाल दिया एंड फॉर छोटे पर्पस इसको हल्का सा भूनना है जब तक कि बस हल्का सा देखिए हल्का सा गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए। सी स्मोक इज कमिंग आउट। अब ये अच्छी तरह से धुआं आ रहा है, मतलब कि ये स्टार्ट हो गया, क्योंकि ये एक इंडक्शन कुकवेयर है जो बैचलर्स के लिए और जो अलोन रहते हैं उनके लिए बेस्ट है। दोज हु आर स्टेइंग अलोन एज वेल एज बैचलर्स, it's better to use induction instead of using gas stove. Now I am putting carrots and peas. जो गाजर और मटर मैंने पहले से काट के रखे हुए थे धो के, उनको करके आफ्टर and now it's time to put the water. So I have put the water and now it's started to boiling slowly. See, water has fallen, few drops of water has fallen, but no worry, it's pure shock proof. Let's meet you after few minutes when full boil ring will start and bubbles will come out. Then I will put the pasta. Okay, coming back after few minutes. See, actually it's not taking minute, actually it's taking few seconds, only within 30 seconds. See, boil process start. How fast and furious this Prestige induction cookware. And now it's time to put the pasta. Stir it for a while. अब बस थोड़ा सा हिलाना। जैसे ही बबल्स आ जाए, बबल्स आना स्टार्ट हो गया, ये देखो। So now it's completely boiled. To check that it's completely boiled or not, देखते हैं कि अब ये बॉयल हुआ कि नहीं। Let's take one piece of pasta. एक पास्ता का टुकड़ा मैं निकाल के लेके आया हूँ और ये देखो आराम से स्मैश हो गया। बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है, हाथ नहीं लगाया जा रहा। And now it's time to put the pasta masala. इस मैगी पास्ता मसाला, अब ये टाइम है पास्ता मसाला को डालने का। I have put 1 tablespoon of पास्ता मसाला। मैंने 1 टेबलस्पून पास्ता मसाला का डाला है। This process is completely done within 10 minutes. See, it's how fast. Or even while doing all this cooking process, few drops of water has also fallen on the top of this induction, but nothing has happened. See, electricity is still on mode, but nothing has happened. Means the company which claims that it's shock proof, yes, it's completely shock proof, but for our safety purpose we should not never ever touch it on the top while cooking process is going on. और अब इसका टाइम हो गया इसको स्विच ऑफ करने का. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू स्विच ऑफ. नाउ इट्स रेडी टू सर्व. I have switched off it. See, it's switched off. And it's mayonnaise. And now pasta is ready to eat. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give a big thumbs up. Subscribe it, share with your friends and family. And yes, it's far better than gas, because those who are staying alone, it's better to use Prestige or an Prestige induction cookware. It's safe, it's good, it's fast. We can do many kind of process. Dosa chapati, means in Mexican style. People can use it for tortillas. Then pressure cook, we can also adjust time. We can make curry, idli, deep fry, heat milk, keep warm the food which we are taken in our office or anywhere. We can also use in office areas, and before eating we can use to keep warm just before taking our meal, so that it is warm. And salute mode, and last and but not least, it's power on and power off button. So okay, please subscribe my channel, Rajiv the Awesome Dude, and below in the description you will find my link, Amazon link, to purchase it directly from the Amazon. Thank you. Have a nice day.